Hey guys, it's Guru. I'm back with another one package mail day. This package is from CnC. I joined the Artifacts half case break, 12-13 Artifacts. I think I ended up going with the Flyers, and it's my first group break, so I did pretty good. So let's get into it. Go check out CnC. Pretty good group breaks. Guru. Sealed tight, so it's gonna be hard to just go in. Sorry about the delay, guys. Okay, there's one end. There's the other end. Guru, another spacer, So I ended up getting 3 cards, and I won from a random. So the first card is an Artifacts, Team Canada Artifacts Emerald of Braden Shen to 99. That is up for trade or sell. Second card is an Artifacts dual jersey of, yet again, Braden Shen, numbered out of 36. And the final card, I won it in a random, is Artifacts autographed rookie redemption card number, well, it doesn't really have a number. Probably gonna redeem it. So if it does come in the mail, it's probably gonna be for trade or sell. It's not a Leafs or Spezza cards because I PC them. So overall, it's a pretty decent break for me. So yeah, probably gonna be making another video, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys next time.